Hey guys, Alan from Telefuel here, and this is Tools of the Trade. Tools of the Trade is a series where I share with you tools and apps that you can use to work more effectively on your computer and online. And in this episode, I'm going to share with you how I do keyboard shortcuts or bookmark shortcuts in Chrome. Why this is effective, by the way, let me give you a few examples. There's a lot of times I want to go to websites that have long links, and I don't always remember the links, and I don't want to click around, use my mouse to click around my bookmarks. I don't really use bookmarks that much because I don't want to have to. I don't have to click and search and use my eyes. I basically just want to say I want to go to my happy subreddit, and I just type the word happy, and it goes directly there. Another example is I want to go to my kind of pseudo CRM in a Google Sheet that I use to manage some of the customer relationships in my business. And it's a really long Google Sheet URL, but I've saved it in Google Chrome under CRM. I just type CRM, enter, and then boom, it takes me to this big long spreadsheet. So these are just a couple examples. I can give you one more example. Let me go here. One more example, I use brain.fm, and it's this website that has this like kind of computer generated background music that helps you focus. And the URL for the web player for brain.fm, it's a little bit long, so I don't want to remember it all the time. And so I just go type in the word brain, hit enter, and boom, it automatically populates the link and takes me directly to the web app. And so all of these are actually managed as what are called search engines in Google. It's a little bit of a misnomer here. And what you can do is if you're using Google Chrome, and I'll include this link in the show notes, but it's Chrome, I'm going to zoom in here, Chrome:// settings/search engines. And here you can set up search engines, or you can set up shortcuts. So you just hit add, and then you type the name. So let's say I want to, what's a good example here? So say there's a resource that I want to save. So, I don't know, like this resources page. And I just want to go to this resources page every time I hit in CR, just CR. So I have this link and I call it Crewfire Resource. This is just the name. This is what you're going to use to refer to it, or not refer to it, just some sort of internal name that you're going to use. And then the keyword is what you're going to use. This is actually the shortcut. So say I want to do CR. And then here, last but not least, I just paste the URL. And so now every time I paste or type CR, hit enter, it'll take me to this URL, and you can see what this looks like. So now I've added that search engine. If I open a new tab, I hit CR, enter, and boom, it automatically takes me to Crewfire Resources. So this is a kind of a hack on how you can manage search engines in Google. This is actually technically for use for setting up different search engines in the search bar, but it's a great workaround, and you can see here I've set up a ton of different examples of websites that I go straight to just by hitting this these different keystrokes. So this has been really helpful for me. Hope it's really helpful for you, and if so, let me know. You can learn more and check out more tools to work online more effectively at telefuel.com/tools, and that's all for now. Thanks for watching.